Welcome to your early childhood online classes at Allen. When you log into Canvas, you will see the dashboard, and from there you can go into classes. But before we go into classes, let's talk about personalizing the dashboard. If you click on Account and you go to Profile, you will see where you can click on a pencil and add an image. I strongly encourage you to do so, although it's not required. Additionally, you need to go to the Settings page under Contact. Click on Settings, and you can come to the right-hand side. You can add a personal email address in addition to your Allen email that is already attached to Canvas, and you can add a cell phone number. By doing this, this allows us to send you notifications when there are really critical messages. And so I would encourage you to add that cell phone. You can also click when you're on Settings. You can actually go to Notifications, and you can let Canvas know how to send you notifications for certain things, like due dates, if a grading policy is changed, things like that. There's a lot you don't actually want notifications for, and I will actually keep mine pretty minimal. Otherwise, I ignore them. But reminders of due dates is wonderful to help you remember this is what's due this week. This due date's coming up if you haven't yet submitted this assignment. So I strongly encourage you to also go into notifications and make sure that you are aware of how Canvas is communicating to you and how you can adjust that communication. Going back to Dashboard, you will see the classes in which you are enrolled. If something is not showing up that you think should be there, then you need to either call campus at 620-365-5116 or email your advisor, whoever that is. Let's click on a class and look at it in detail. When you click on class, you will see that there are announcements at the top of the home page. If you have not read an announcement, there will be a red dot next to it. It's missing here because I've clicked on this announcement, opened it, and I can read the full announcement. I strongly encourage my students, every time you log into class, first check these announcements. You will get 2 to 4 announcements in each class each week. These are due date reminders. These are tips on assignments. They might be current events or interesting information. They might be short lectures on particular content for that module in which you are studying. So always check those announcements. They are full of helpful information. Next, you'll see your instructor's contact information towards the bottom. And then at the very bottom, you're going to see the tech support email. And you can click on that, and it'll actually open your mail on your computer, and you can then write that email. Let's click on to get started. Doing so takes me to the first module, Getting Started, where you can work through class. I want you to note, if you have taken classes at Allen before, that in my classes and in most early childhood classes, we have moved to a weekly due date. That does not mean a full module every week unless we have divided the class out into 16 modules. Most of our classes are still 8 modules, but instead what you are going to find is that you have some 1 or 2 assignments due one week, and then the other assignments due the second week. This has been done to try and help students maintain a more steady speed in getting coursework done and to not be overwhelming. We are still recognizing that many of you work full-time and have a full family schedule and set of responsibilities, and thus class is happening either late in the evenings or on weekends. So you'll notice you still get full weekends to work on those due dates. We do hope that you are logging into class a few times during the week to get that work done and not trying to do all of class on Saturday or Sunday. But again, you have to figure out the schedule that's best for you and we recognize that. Canvas, beyond your class, has this amazing tool. This is one of my favorite things about Canvas, and that's the calendar. When you look at the calendar, you will see your due dates for every class, and different classes are in different colors. If you come over to the right-hand side again, you will see under calendars that you can click on what you would like to see. So during the semester, I leave every class highlighted that I'm teaching, but that again is up to you to see. If you have not yet requested your textbooks, you need to do that. That link is under quick links on the website. I've given you a very brief overview of class, starting with your courses, and you can select those courses, go into them, go into that getting started and getting done with your work. If you have not completed the orientation, you'll note, especially within the course, that there are tutorial videos and some helpful tips. So please take note of those. And do not hesitate to reach out to any of your instructors for help or your advisor. We are here to see you succeed and learn. Have a great day.